Hello everyone, welcome today. In yesterday's newspaper, yes, yesterday's, because today is Sunday and we don't receive any newspaper. In the yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, May the 15th, I will continue with the rest of the puzzles. There are 3 puzzles left. A letter Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars, and a tectonic with 1 star. So 3 puzzles are left. I will solve these 3. The first one is a letter Sudoku. And this one will be a number 2798. Alright, 2798. And so let's get started. Instead of the numbers, you will see 9 letters: the S, the C, the E, the R, the U, G, and I, H. Alright. We have an H in this row, H in the second row. So in the third row, only place for the H should be there. Alright. Then. Let me see. You. G. Yeah. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a C. We see here C, no C in these 2 boxes. There's C, no C in that box. So 1 box left for the C should be there. Then S. G. H. Yeah. I don't like letter Sudokus because I cannot do the double check. So sometimes I make an error. Alright. 5 missing numbers. Letters. One of the missing letter is a U. We have a U here. No U in those 3 boxes. So the U could be here, could be there. Alright. Yeah. U, C, G, U, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. Letters. One of the missing letter is a U. We see here U, no U in these 2 boxes. There U, no U in those 2 boxes. So the U could be here, could be there. So we have a U in one of those 2 boxes in this row, U in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the U should be there. Okay. So 3 letters are missing in this row. Those letters are wing, U, the H is missing here, the S is missing, and the C is missing. Yeah. We have an H in this row, column. H in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the H should be there. So 2 letters left in this row. The C and the S is missing. We see here the S, no S there. S should be here, and the C goes there. We have the word solved. In Dutch, it's called scheuring. So, in matter of fact, the puzzle is solved, but we will continue. If you translate this, it's a rapture, scheuring, rapture. Alright. Let me continue. We have a C in the third column, C in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the C should be here, or there. We see here C, we see there C, so no C's in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the C should be there. Alright. 4 missing numbers. Wait. S in the first column, S in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the S should be there. And I've eliminated the U, so the U goes there. So 2 letters are left in this big square for the letters I and the N. Yeah, I and the N. We see here I, so no I there. I should be here, and the N should be there. 3 missing letters in this row. One of the missing letters is R. We see here R, no R there. Here R, no R there. R should be here. Then see, S is missing. And a U, yes, U in this row, U in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the U should be there. U in this column, U in the middle column. So in the column and next, the only place for the U should be there. 2 letters missing in this big square for the letters E and I. We have an E here, no E there. E should be here and I should be there. 1 letter left in this row for the S. The S is missing. Then S, yes. 3 missing letters in the first row. One of the missing letters is a S. We see here S, no S there. So the S could be here or could be there. We see here another S, so no S there. S should be there. 2 letters are left, the I and the the N. No, the N we have. The R is missing here. The R. The I and the R. We have an R here. No R there. R should be here. And the I should be there. I in this row. I in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the I should be here, or there. We see here an I, no I there. Here an I, no I there. The only place for the I should be there. 2 missing numbers, letters, the E and the N are missing. The E and the N. No. Yeah, the E and the N, the E. So E and the N, E and the N. So the other pair in this big square should be the letters, the R and the G. We have a R here, no R there. R should be here and the G should be there. 2 letters left in the first column for the E and the the E and the G. Yeah, the G. We have a G in this column, G in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the G should be here or there. We see there G, no G there. G should be there. And the E is left for the first column. 2 letters left in this big square. For the U, this is U, and the N. We have an N here, no N there, N should be here, and the U should be there. 2 letters left in this second row. For the letters, E is missing, and no I we have, and the R. The R, yes, we have a R here, no R there. R should be here, and the E should be there. Alright, 2 letters left in this big square for the letters U and C. U and a C. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yes, as in this row, as in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 letters left. Boxes left for the S should be here or there. We see the S, no S there. S should be there. U S C. U S C. The E. Yes, the E should be there. Yes, E in this column, E in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the E should be there. 2 boxes left in this column. For the I and for the letter I and R, no R we have. The I and the C. I and the C. Well, we have an I here, so no I there. I should be here, and the C goes there. Alright. So we have a C in this row, C in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the C should be here or there. We see there C, no C there. C should be there. Now we have a C here. So this box cannot be C anymore. That box should be a C. And this box should be a U. I've marked those 2 boxes with U. Now we have a U here. So this box cannot be U anymore. That box should be a U. Alright. E and N. 2 boxes left in this column. Let's see, the H is missing. The H and the G. Yes, the H and the G. We have a G there, no G there. G should be here, and the H goes there. Alright. H. H. The E is also missing. E. Wait, E. H, E, and the S is missing. Yes. We have an S in this column, S in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the S should be there. S in this row, S in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the S should be here or there. We see there S, no S there. S should be there. 2 boxes left in the last column for the letters E and the E and the R are missing. E and the R. We have an R there, no R there. R should be there, and the E goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the letter N. Yes. N in this row, and in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the N should be there. N in this column, N in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the N should be there. Now we have an N here, so this box cannot be an N anymore. That box should be an N. and this box should be an E. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square for the letters I and H. I and H. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here, and the H goes there. Here also 2 boxes left in this big square. Also for the H and the G. H and the G. We have a G there, no G there. G should be here, and the H goes there. Here, the final 2 letters, the H and the E. We have a H there, no H there. H should be here, and the E goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright. A great letter Sudoku. I don't like it, but I think if you practice more with the letters, then yeah, but I prefer the digits, the numbers, than the letters. Alright. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. A Sudoku with 2 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.